Hello YouTube. It is Bazooka, who categorically cannot eat gelatin. Gelatin is used during the preparation of many desserts and meat dishes. In addition, it has many positive qualities, for example, the ability to repair joints or muscles after training. He is in demand in home treatment due to efficiency and accessibility. But, like any product, you should not abuse gelatin. Therefore, we suggest that you familiarize yourself with the list of diseases in which the consumption of gelatin should be limited and consulted with a doctor, how best to take it. Diseases in which it is impossible to take gelatin. Kidney disease. Gelatin is referred to as oxalogen, therefore it is undesirable to use it for oxalate diathesis, gout and other diseases associated with the violation of water-salt metabolism. He is forbidden because of this and with liver disease, and with cholelithiasis. Thrombosis and thrombophlebitis, varicosity. Gelatin increases the coagulability of blood, which can only exacerbate the situation. It is better to resort to other folk methods of treatment. Diseases of the gastrointestinal tract. If you are prone to constipation, it is better to limit the use of this product, especially if you have hemorrhoids. But the strengthening effect can be reduced with the help of a decoction of dried fruits. Cardiovascular diseases, especially with violation of water-salt metabolism. You cannot take gelatin and atherosclerosis. Obesity. Gelatin, a fairly high-calorie product. If you use it in large doses, your weight will become even greater, increasing the pressure on the aching joints. Of course, all these diseases, not a sentence, just need to competently approach the use of foods and medicines that contain gelatin. Be healthy and share this information with your friends. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.